Alright, welcome back to the channel. Look what we got here. You know what this is? Let's see. I just cut the box open just now. I haven't even looked at it yet. But what we got here is the Stage 1 Plus cup. And it brings, finally, the access port. Finally. Then in here, I didn't order all this paper, but I guess I got all that paper. And then here, what's this? What's in here? What's in here? Hardware. Hardware, I'm pretty sure. Let's take a look. Yep, that's what it is. Hardware. Ooh, this is all for the intake. Wonder what's this for. And stickers. Always stickers. The plus right there. Boom. More stickers. We got thank you, Subie. There we go. That's why everything is it. Alright. This bunch of rubber stuff. I don't know. But yeah. Anyway, let me put the bag in there. Boom, 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 boom. Then here we have the shield box. Yeah, that's the shield for the intake box. I'm pretty sure here's the filter. Gotta be. Hard to do this with one hand. I've been waiting for this for a while. I mean, not for a while. I was waiting for a while to buy it. That's what I was waiting for. But it didn't took long, actually. Oh, fit. Pretty decent. I would like to change this for a K&N filter though. I trust K&N way more, but I'm gonna try this one and see, because this one looks pretty good too. No doubt. What's this? Instructions. How to spray it. Why they didn't send me oil? Where's the oil cup? Come on. Anyway. Here's the tube for the intake. Look pretty nice. My God. Look at a sneak peek. Look at a sneak peek. Bear with me. There it is. Nice. So I guess that's it. Yep. It's the whole box. This is what we got. And this is what you pay freaking $1,000 for this. Oh my God. You know how much overtime I have to work now just to get my money back? Crazy. But yeah, finally got it. Finally got my Stage 1 Plus from COBB, which it will probably be installed pretty soon. Not sure when exactly, but hopefully pretty soon. Let's see if I can put this back the way it was. It wasn't definitely that way, but anyway, I just wanted to do a video unboxing the COBB Stage 1 Plus box. And here we got the most wanted access port. Your access port is finally here. Maps are already on your access port. Check out the quick start guide and start using right away. Don't forget to register your access port and blah 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 blah. What is in the box? What is in the box? We got the OBD port, the mounting, and here's the baby. And this is a pretty nice box. I ain't gonna lie. It's a pretty nice box. Pretty nice box. Oh my god, so excited, so excited, so excited, so excited. Yeah, that's why I'm getting my parts from COBB, because I probably use the off-the-shelf map for a little while. So I bring the access port, I bring the cable, and I bring an extra face in black. I might go with the black one because the silver one look kind of like shitty. Pretty kind of soft in the back. Oh man, I ripped it off. Oh my god. Woo. Yep, that's it. Another sticker. Whoa. All right. This is for the mounting. This is the other face in black. I think all black look better, doesn't it? Don't you think? I think it does. Man, I can't believe I got this already. So, yep, that was the video for today. Just a unboxing of the Stage 1 Plus COBB tuning. And this is all you get right here. So if you're planning on get your money out, get your wallet out, because this thing costs $1,000. 1K. So I'll probably do a review after I install my Stage 1 Plus for the first time. Yep, that's everything for today. Leave a like, hit the bell, subscribe, and until the next one.